Hi, welcome to R Web Consulting's webinar on how to set up Google Analytics if your site has subdomains. Let's take a look at a site that has a subdomain, or several actually. Here on www.ucsf.edu, you'll notice that their site is organized by health departments. So clicking on nursing would take you to nursing.ucsf.edu. Clicking on pharmacy, for example, takes you to the subdomain pharmacy.ucsf.edu. It might be a good idea to set up in Google Analytics a profile for each of these subdomains: nursing, pharmacy, medicine, and so forth. This will allow it to be easier for you to interpret the data. For example, people that are using the search engine Google might be using different keywords to find the dentistry portion of the site. The bounce rates might be different, and so forth. To set up profiles on your subdomains in Google Analytics, log in to your Google Analytics account. Two main steps we're going to need to take. One, we're going to add a new profile, and then we're going to create a filter to basically capture just that subdomain traffic. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add New Profile, and then click on the second radio button, Add a Profile for an Existing Domain. And your website will appear here. Just for demonstrative purposes, let's pretend that I have a subdomain on my site, analytics.rwebconsulting.com. Yours might be news, it might be about us. In the UCSF example, they had theirs by the health department, so nursing, medicine. Either way, just give the profile name something that's descriptive, not encrypted, make it easy on anyone. So I'm going to title Analytics Traffic Only and click on Finish. So that's step one already. Step two then is going to the filter manager in the bottom right hand corner and clicking on that link. I already have some filters set up here. Don't worry about that. Just click on this link up in the filter manager called Add Filter. And we're going to want to title the filter something again descriptive. In my example, I'm only capturing analytics. I'm setting up a profile just to capture the analytics traffic to my site. The UCSF example, they would want to maybe put in pharmacy or medicine or nursing. Analytics data only. And this is going to be a custom filter of an include type. So select that radio button. And then the filter field is going to be a host name. And the filter and pattern, which you got to be careful of, is going to be put in your subdomain first. So in the UCSF example, it's medicine, nursing. In my website, it's analytics. Then hit the backslash and a period, and then basically the website name, which is rwebconsulting. And then you're going to want to put another backslash and period in front of your top level domain name, which is .com, .net, .edu, .info, so forth. Case sensitive, you can just leave as no, and you're going to want to apply this filter to the profile, the relevant profile. So in my example, it's the analytics section of the site. Yours again might be about us or news. For UCSF, it might be nursing or medicine. So click on Add, and then Save Changes. And that's it. Within 24 hours, Google Analytics will update the reports, and you'll see a new profile here. Again, your website, it might be news or about us. For UCSF, it might be medicine or nursing, pharmacy. For the example I just showed you, I'm just collecting data or traffic to the analytics section of the site, and you'll start to see numbers here. It's a great idea to set up different profiles for subdomains, so business owners get a clearer picture of how people are interacting with the site. Again, people might be using different keywords to find the nursing section of the UCSF.edu website than, let's say, the pharmacy or the calendar.ucsf.edu section of the website. Great, and I guess that is it for today's webinar. If you had any questions or enjoyed the webinar, please feel free to let me know. I can be contacted at rwebconsulting.com. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation.